to post or create a job on Upwork. So first thing you need is a client's account, because only through a client's account can you actually create a job. So if you're on a client's account, go over to Upwork, and then on the middle right you'll see the option post a job. Click on it. Then you'll be redirected to another page where you'll have a total of 5 steps to go through. The first step being writing a headline or a title for your job post. This is basically an outline of what your job is about or what you want to be done. So let's take a scenario here. So maybe we want so I have a car advert where they're showcasing a car, and I want the video edited to blur the number plate. So why want to blur the number plate in the video. Well, that looks like a good headline there, and let's go over to the next step. Next up, it's basically the skills that you think would be on the freelancer's profile, so it can show on the pages of professional freelancers that you would really want, that really have the skills to do the job that you're posting. So of course they should have a video editing skill, maybe yeah, they should have a good knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro, because that's one of the applications where you can do this. Maybe Final Cut Pro, and that looks good enough. After you're done with that, just scroll down and press next. Next up, just you want your job to be done by, is it a large project, is it a medium or a small? Well, just blurring up the number plates looks like a pretty small project. Of course it'll take less than a month, and it could be done by intermediate. The scenario for our job, it could be done by entry level of course as well, but just to be safe I'm gonna press intermediate. Is this job a contract to hire opportunity? No. Now the budget, how much you would pay for this. You can go for 2 options: budget project, so you want to straight up pay him this amount, or you could go for the amount of hours he works, which is depending on whatever the freelancer's hourly rate is. Well, it's much better if you go with the project budget, because sometimes freelancers can have really high hourly rates, which could be a disadvantage. So I think for this scenario work, it might be 10 or 5 to $10 for it. I'm just going to write 10. And now finally the last step, the title and the description. The title could be the same thing as your headline, and now you want to describe this job and attach the video file so they could see and know if they can do the job or not. Make sure you in detail describe the job so they don't make any mistakes. It could be a description of 5,000 characters at max. So I want you to blur all possible number plates in the video below. And there you go. It says it's a bit too short, so I'm just gonna add some other stuff. Make sure it's slightly blurred, not too unpleasant. Okay. And I'm just gonna others, and of course you can make your description as long as possible. And now just press review job post. After you've done that, you could just press post this job, and there's it. Your post will be your job will be successfully posted. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.